Today we will learn the three groups of verbs. The Japanese verbs are classified into three groups. Let us start by Group 1. Group 1. The verbs having ending with E sound before mas are known as Group 1 verbs. For example, ikimasu, nomimasu, kaerimasu, yomimasu. So the letter before mas is ending with E sound. So therefore it is an Group 1 verb. Now let's look at the meanings. Ikimasu means to go. Nomimasu means to drink. Kaerimasu means to return. Yomimasu means to read. Now let's look at Group 2 verbs. Group 2. The verbs having ending not of E sound are known as Group 2 verbs. But there are a few exceptions such as by exceptions, I mean that the verb should be Group 1 verb according to the rule, but they're classified as Group 2 verbs. Let's look at the exceptions. Abimasu, okimasu, karimasu, iimasu, miimasu. So, now you can see that according to the rule, they should be Group 1 verbs. But as they're exceptions, they are classified as Group 2 verbs. Now let's look at the meanings. Abimasu means to win. Okimasu means to wake up. Karimasu means to take. Iimasu means is. Miimasu means to see. Now I'm going to look at some examples of Group 2 verbs. So these were the exceptions. Now we're going to look at some examples. Examples of Group 2 verbs. Kakemasu, tabemasu, sukemasu, kangaemasu, nemasu. So, you can notice that the letter before mas does not have an ending or with E sound. They have the ending with A sound. So therefore it is an Group 2 verb. In this, you can notice that kakemasu, tabemasu, sukemasu, kangaemasu, nemasu are all Group 2 verbs. Now we're going to look at the meanings. Kakemasu, to call. Tabemasu, to eat. Sukemasu, to put on. Kangaemasu, to think. Nemasu, to sleep. Now we're going to look at Group 3 verbs. Group 3 is the easiest because it only has 2 words and does not have any rule. Group 3 verb only have 2 verbs. Kimasu, shimasu. So these 2 verbs are only in Group 3 verb. Kimasu means to come. Shimasu means to do. Now we're going to do a short revision of what we have learned today. So, I will put a verb on the screen and you have to think which group it is in and what's the meaning of the verb. Let's start. Kaerimasu. It is Group 1 and it means to return. Shimasu. It is Group 3 and it means to do. Tabemasu. It is Group 2 and it means to eat. Kimasu. It is Group 3 and it means to come. Nemasu. It is Group 2 and it means to sleep. Nomimasu. it is group 1 and it means to drink. Kakemasu, it is group 2 and it means to call. Ikimasu, it is group 1 and it means to go. Kangaimasu, it is group 2 and it means to think. Sukemasu, it is group 2 and it means to put on. Yomimasu, it is group 1 and it means to read. Now I'm gonna again do this. Karimasu. So I'll start by the meanings. Karimasu, to return. Nemasu, to sleep. Tabemasu, to eat. Kakemasu, to call. Sukemasu, to put on. Nomimasu, to drink. Kimasu, to come. Kangaimasu, to think. Shimasu, to do. Ikimasu, to go. Yomimasu, to read. Now I'm going to tell the groups. Yomimasu, group 1. Ikimasu, group 1. Shimasu, group 3. Karimasu, group 1. Kangaimasu, group 2. Nemasu, group 2. Kimasu, group 3. Nomimasu, group 1. Sukemasu, group 2. Tabemasu, kakemasu, group 2. So now we are done and you all have learned all the 3 groups. The verbs are classified in Japanese. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box, or want a video on any Japanese topic, write in the comment box. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.